Fixing the issue of the Ometv camera endlessly loading is a straightforward task. Today I'll guide you through the steps to resolve the camera keeps on loading error on Ometv. This error typically arises due to regional restrictions imposed by Ometv, preventing its operation in certain areas. To address this issue and bypass the restrictions, you'll need to install a virtual private network VPN. Here's a step-by-step guide. Begin by opening a new tab in your web browser. Search for a VPN service provider. For example, you can visit the website 1.1.1. Download the VPN application compatible with your Windows operating system. Once the download is complete, proceed with the installation process, which is usually quite straightforward. After installation, launch the VPN application. Enable the VPN connection by toggling the switch or button provided in the application interface. With the VPN active, return to the Ometv website or application. Refresh the page or relaunch the application to verify that the camera keeps on loading error has been resolved. If the issue persists, try closing the Ometv application or website and reopening it in a new tab. Navigate to the official Ometv website and attempt to access the camera feature again. Follow any prompts to verify permissions or access to the camera. Once completed, the error should no longer occur, and you should be able to use the camera feature on Ometv without any further issues.